What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to Weather Express today. Today I'm gonna be talking about a possible significant winter storm for regions of the Midwest and New England for extremely late January to early February. So before we do get started with this, I do ask that you like and subscribe to my channel if you do like weather related content, and share my channel with your family. I do realize that I have not been uploading lately, and I'm trying to get back onto a good upload schedule, so I'm doing my best to do it. So yeah, thank you for being patient with me, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let's take a look at some weather models. This is a 18Z GFS run for January 27th. As you can see, we have this low pressure system right over here, but that's nothing really to regard. But once we go over to January, let's say 18Z on January 30th, you can see this low pressure system starting to form around Kansas. That's packing a lot of rain to it, a little bit of mixing along there, and some snow. This is going to gain some major strength before forming a big snow band for Indiana, parts of Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin. Not Wisconsin, my bad. And it's gonna slowly be pushing its way into onto the East Coast before eventually stalling around New Jersey, according to GFS. And then it's gonna be GFS has it just getting ejected right out into the ocean, like it's not even gonna affect the coast. But I don't quite buy that just yet, only because there's so much model disagreement so much models disagreeing with it, like the CMC, the Canadian model here, that's trying to set up for more nor'easter looking system. It's, as you can see, it does the same thing as the GFS. Like, parts of these places could start seeing winter storm watches as soon as tomorrow because of this snow. And it's got, the Canadian model also has it stalling somewhere around Maryland or Virginia, and then that's going to be trying to go up, but it's also going to be getting ejected a little bit more north than what the GFS has been saying, which it's starting to get more believable. But the Euro model has a totally different solution here. As you can see, this is where we're gonna be mainly talking about where the models have this stalling and stuff, because that could be a make or break moment for if some of these locations are going to see snow or not. So the Euro model, which I'm believing a little more right now, is showing it a little. This is the area of snow right here entering Pennsylvania. That's the main area, and that's just going to be stalling around Pennsylvania for a bit. That could significantly bring up their snow totals because of the stalling. New Jersey has a big rain and snow line, according to this model, which is gonna hinder their totals in more southern New Jersey, and that is gonna, yeah. And then we move out to our 138, and this really starts to compress itself. It's still bringing some extremely heavy bands into Pennsylvania. They're gonna see some pretty significant snow totals, and